Wondershare Filmora is one of the best video editing software our system nim. Now, maybe I'll send you install the latest version, version 15. No, maybe I'll say, Obitex Solution community ni more. Maybe I'll available community honomo. Into your link, never download the Filmora. So when who throw our chat box and say open Filmora link, you're the best sender na wait to me I download it. So when you community name na say open Filmora no set up na obe send a DM na you're the link and I'm on to me I download it. And I say join your platform no your community na hono any link be ebe boama upload dash na koso bia no e the link no ebe ma ewo your platform no so community hono mo. Inti so person go join your community na oba obitechsolution.com. Now we click on login na we say so login way. And I say over click any of these VOD basic any VOD pro no. Baby I try say login to subscribe no na we click so hono mo. O click so no we click on create account. What do we do basha say now we do email address edi asha. Na we bo password edi asha no we click on create account and so. And sir over click on Google icon you so. Now I redirect you to your email. Now with me edit a create account successfully. So create account ni we check your email address in him. Now verify account no. So log in about obitechsolution.com. Now about main page ni so I mean the home page you know. Baby I want you say upgrade to basic and upgrade to pro no. Over click upgrade to pro ni so. Okay. Inti I say you know say no at a monthly basis. This up a monthly basis now manada here ni mo no. Ope say unya premium yearly. Year number platform so any update, any video, any link. Adie be a video production ho ebe post bia no sa ebe kan our platform ni mo for the entire year no. Now click was to say we any see best start from the monthly to the year no. Na emu die pese o go for no either the basic or the pro no. Now click upgrade ni so. But me nya idea ni year mo no ka be upgrade to the pro no. Na just ho no one like hwe with the basic no. Ebi anye bibia no sabeka ewo basic room ni mo ati ase okay until we click upgrade to pro ebe redirect to the payment system no na with the mobile money number no select network either MTN Vodafone or say Airtel Tigo the first time I will use the paystack system no to make a payment if I try send a verification code at your call or phone so until phone number now we use no or send the code at your so no abo code no at your shame to verify the system. Okay, into pacho we are no it me continue and make the payment. We make payment in we are automatically now over redirected to the pro account. Okay, into say over community has here or click on the community now. Now for you about pro mastermind in him. Say basic and so now subscriber ya no about basic room anymore. Into so have basic room anymore. Premium live production template na your preset no and we easy worship our has say VMix 28 our has say and Kai4 in the pro mastermind the same thing. Be now never updated quiz back download easy worship ne ade okay into Filmora no so ebe ho ahase say bi obetnya download the free hase brebi a kire wadwen na wa type e de ato ho ebi a obaye no unhu link no ana brebi sa obetimi a type say maybe please I need the Filmora setup bibi sa the person should be na ebe understandable bia no. Now I click on send. So person will hear pro videos are from social media and so now we on platform so over click on the VOD pro. So account no a basic and so over VOD basic and I click so. Say pro ni mo over basic videos, over free videos, no sound so pro videos. Okay. Ni nyina available e ho habit me ahwe na wosua nyama bebre e dia fa video production, VMix any OBS ne enkaye nyina. Okay. Sound so na say basic ni mo the same thing we free na we basic. Sounds na say basic account ni mo and also be basic videos na wasan so free videos na name mo no pro videos. All right, intipacha sanity we ni kwanya befa so a on sa be kan Filmora 15 no after mention on send you be install Filmora 15 ya dia to o computer no so we see for editings. Okay, so click link in this na so download ya e be bia say ya dia ma e raw file. Okay, this when you raw e o computer no so I search on Google download raw for PC and I download raw. Now I click on the first link you know. Now with me edit a download na we install it. Afi file no e say ma wa. Oba clicking on right e wa mouse ne so. Okay. Na e clicking on extract files. O click extract files e be say ya dia ma. No asan so a click okay. Oba try e ma files no I extract it. Send e be contem no e gina computer na ho odin so. Say area na extracted folder no de I say yellow way be da hono no na we biem no asan so biem ansa na be folder ni mo no dinkan turn off for antivirus no enti call Windows na search for virus and threat protection we say na click so real time protection no click ha say na turning off any enkaifobia turning on wa bia no click ni na turning off na click dismiss ni so owia men krosi antivirus na ansa minimize no afei be Wondershare Filmora nim setup na kasankasa nie right click e setup ni so na click run as administrator eba na wa click yes afei aha no osebo password okay ohun baby a atro key no e file ni mo no we bie se bie se ya na wa select key no select ni say na right click na copy afei sanfa setup ne bra we ne paste shaha box na ade ni blinky wo mo no click right ewom na click paste uwia click okay we ne sa ebe fi ase se install it you go back to virus and threat protection ho scroll bra down kakra baby amatro exclusions no click add or remove exclusions click add an exclusion so na click file afei click desktop na hwehwe Filmora click so na click okay afei utmi close way ana betnya go back na wa turn on antivirus no sesei no utmi bie Filmora no a wonya how bia ewo ho eno nti we ne kwan abefa so a ube install Filmora 15 ediato o computer so a ube use a wonya how bia ebetua ba say antivirus no ebe quarantine crack no se eba ne sa amenchira kwan abefa so a would be restore no wasanso enya o Filmora ne back sanso be virus and threat protection honum na click protection history so we history ni mo a bon so much was threat quarantined click severe ne so drop down na say no click so na click yes afei aya hwe affected item no na hwe say eye Filmora ne da ho ana say eye den uwia actions no click ho na be click restore na click yes se eba say allow threat na waka say yes eno no antivirus no delete was setup ni biem ena anytime bianso na ebe delete no na wafa kwan we so na wode restore na aba back to normal so Filmora 15 na so send a DM or me send link na dia ma na audio download di ana say oba join yen community no ewo obitechsolution.com ewo community ni mo no so join pro na the link ne betu pro ho na wetimi a download di e free honum any other link any other file premium videos ni nyina available ewo honum a obetimi akoho na onsonso wetimi akohwe videos na no I am much more better ewo live video production any ade okay everybody we bring you subscribe to either pro plan and I to basic plan on with me a join community anything bia na chire wadwen bia no o comment e community ni mo a ye behwe na yeji wa no na bibia aye kama intebusia ye be share in the next tutorial macro for now.